Great find! Single level, maintenance-free living. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, oversized 2-car garage in D20 schools. Step inside to the bright, open concept, living, dining, kitchen. Decorator kitchen with stainless appliances included. Stucco exterior and xeriscape yard equals low maintenance. Easy access to Penrose Hospital, Powers Boulevard and shopping. D20 schools. Stucco exterior, newer kitchen appliances. Roof was new 2 years ago. Great 3-bed, 2-bath main level living rancher in D20 schools. Welcome home! Great front deck with courtroom once you enter the front door. Looking from the kitchen towards the front door. Open concept living area with lots of light. Comfortable living room. Wall-mounted TV is included. Living room view 2 looking into the hall leading to the master bedroom and full bath. Looking towards the dining room from the living room. Wonderful open concept living. Generous dining area with room for your china cabinet. Dining room looking towards the kitchen. Tile counters and custom backsplash are 2 of the features you'll love in this kitchen. Custom backsplash includes stone accent tiles. Convenient kitchen with all appliances are included. Stainless appliances are only about 3 years old. Large full bath is located off the hallway near the kitchen. Main level washer-dryer hookup. Washer-dryer are excluded. Spacious and bright master bedroom. Master bedroom. Door to the left is the entrance to the full bath. Full bath attached to master bedroom. Master bath view 2. Bedroom number 2. Informal counter seating in the kitchen. Door leads to the attached garage. Oversized 2+ car garage for all your toys. French doors in the garage lead to the backyard. French doors lead to the attached oversized 2+ car garage.